Sure, sure. Very happy. He's there. Let's go.
Pikachu, the Pokemon. Guys, Vanakkam. It's 12:30 in Taipei. Today is 1st of November. I'm with Baki.
This time Priyanka joined with me. She is riding cycle very nice.
Guys, it's my first midnight hangout. I'm really very excited to get experience of this.
No need to park. We just go. There is no crowd. No need. See, there is no crowd here. Going to be 1 o'clock. See, the people still open the shop.
I think we will have a coffee, a small.
Yeah, sure. We will find
Go
one.
to Family Mart or Highlight.
I think so. Family Mart is good, right?
Okay, we can go to Family Mart.
So she is parking now the cycle. So we're going to have coffee. So today's Priyanka is sponsored. Yeah.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium is enough. I don't want, but hot. She speaks successfully Chinese. So now we're going to have coffee. Coffee softest.
Okay, okay. Mandache, shisheni. We have finished our coffee. We are going to continue our cycle, right?
Yeah. So I'm also going to check my cycle. Let's go. See, we are now in Taipei City Hall. This is the 101. Everything is closed. So in that time is around 1:20. The people are coming. They are wearing very good dresses.
Oh, me and Pikachu same one. I'm going to take a picture with that Pikachu.
Okay. They wear makeup. They are looking like good.
So yes, there is a Spider-Man and these are two girls.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, happy Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween. Enjoy.
Very happy.
Oh, Priyanka. Okay, nice. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Spider-Man. The time is around 2:24 a.m. Today I'm also joined with a Halloween party in Taipei City Hall. This is an unexpected plan. My God! Oh, it's good. It's looking like expected. Ximen have some fun, but unexpected everything closed. But our destination is Ximen. People are arranging the newspaper like India. Never ever give up. She also ride very well today without exhausted.
Had a lot of surprises this time in if we have time, we will try to go there and participate in the Halloween party. I think they have some songs. So this is the Nangang station. You can find all cocktail bars, big restaurants. Like it's super busy in weekdays. You don't find time to ride cycle like this.
Just say so. Just say so. There's no game to play. You can let your heart show. And just say so. Hiding in the summer feels like we are getting younger as we go. Let us drive forever in this moment through the wonders of the world. Don't ever let me go. No, don't ever let me go.
Yes.